Here's how to create box plots using an nspire. Here's my data from the previous video. I went ahead and loaded it into a list and I just called it box plot data. Now your calculator will actually create a modified box plot first. So once you have your data in there, you can go to a new screen. So go to Home, click here on Graphs. Right, it will again put your graphs all over the place, your dots all over the place, but we want to click our variable. So I'm going to click on the x-axis down here, and remember I called it box plot data. And once we have our graph here, we can go to Menu and Plot Type, and you can see a box plot is right there. And it creates the box plot nice and easily. And again, remember, it creates the modified one, the one that shows the outliers. And I can toggle over my different IQR values. Right, there's my min, there's my Q1, my median, Q3, where the end of my outlier range is, and there actually is my one outlier at 23. If you want to create a regular box plot, well, one, you could just draw this and then extend the line here so that your whisker goes all the way out to that data point. Or if you go back to Menu and choose Plot Properties, notice number 3 that pops up right away. It says Extend Box Plot Whiskers. You can do that, and now there's a regular box plot. So remember that menu key right here, that allows you to change parts of your graph. Again, Plot Properties, I'm going to go back to Modified and show the outliers, and it's a quick, easy selection. And that's how you graph box plots and modified box plots using an nspire.